Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to access your archived chats in ChatGPT on your desktop or browser. If you've archived a conversation to clean up your sidebar, it isn't deleted, it's just moved to a submenu. Here is how to find it. Navigate to the bottom left corner of the ChatGPT interface. Click on your profile name or icon to bring up the account menu. Select Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Data Controls tab on the left sidebar. Look for the row labeled Archived Chats and click the Manage button. This opens a window showing all hidden conversations. You have two choices. Click the Unarchive icon to move the chat back to your sidebar, or click the chat title itself to view the history without unarchiving it. Forward-thinking tip: OpenAI recently added a global search feature. You can now press Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac to search for keywords. Archived chats will show up in these search results automatically, even if you don't go into the Settings menu. And that's it. Managing your archives is the best way to keep a clean workspace without losing your prompts. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.